You guys know I've had these for a minute. This, honestly, I kind of just wanted to wait because clearly it's dropping this Saturday, August 31st. Retail's gonna be $160. And honestly, man, I know these are like highly, what's the word? Highly anticipated, highly wanted. This is going to be on a lot of people's top 10 of the year. It's such a clean colorway, and I just really wanted the facts, man. Like, are these limited, right? I think that was the most important thing a lot of people are concerned about. Am I gonna be able to get them? In my opinion, from what I've heard from just different sources and different stores, there's a lot of places that are getting these, and there's one store specifically around me that's getting them. And usually when they get shoes, that means they're not that limited. So I think this is one of the shoes that isn't necessarily that limited, but more so just so many people want it that it's gonna be hard to get, if that makes sense. You know, there's a lot of shoes like that, especially like Jordan 11s, for example. You know, they'll drop around Christmas time or around the holidays and everybody wants them, but there's literally like 500,000 pairs. Not saying there's that many for these, but do you get what I'm saying? Like, there's just, the hype is real, right? I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, this might be a shoe that, let's say a lot of people are able to get, but within a year or so, these are gonna go, they're just gonna skyrocket in price. Like, think about the bread toes, it's the same thing. And the quality on these is really good. You know, someone from my last video actually made a comparison. The leather throughout the entire sneaker, besides, you know, obviously on the toe box, that's always just your typical kind of like pleather. The main leather, right, on the toe box and just kind of on the side panels that sail off-white, that's the same quality as the leather from the most recent shadows that came out. The leather on the toe box, this is the same quality throughout the shoe, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what I really wanted to let you guys know. Quality is there, man. It's a great shoe, especially at that $160 price point, and it's very clean. Obviously having that Obsidian blue, you got the Obsidian blue on the bottom, just kind of like that off-white. Nothing is necessarily like white. And then obviously the shoe is based around UNC, back when MJ played with North Carolina. So most importantly, quality is definitely there. Ones always run true to size, in my opinion. I always get a size 12. And if you are able to cop these, man, let me tell you, it's just a shoe that won't disappoint. Even earlier this week, a lot of people got exclusive access, and some people were taking like 2 hours just to check out, and it was an L. So usually when Nike does that exclusive access, to me, it kind of says they're gonna be releasing these in waves, just like they did the Bread 4. You know, they released them a little bit early, exclusive access, some people got them, then they officially dropped, and then they restocked again. I personally believe that these are gonna restock at least one time by the end of the year. But these are all predictions, you know, we never know. The only facts are August 31st, these are dropping for $160. Quality's A1, true to size. I'll make sure to update all the links down below on ASneakerLife.org so you guys can go there and just kind of be aware of where to cop. But other than that, is this a cop or drop? Let me know down below in the comments. We'll go ahead and run that on foot.
You're always late. I can't take you anymore. You have no more sick time. Pulling out sick. Are you okay? You don't do your work. You handle everything late. You owe me credit for it. I can't take you anymore. You're gonna be out of here soon. God damn it. Yeah. You're driving me crazy.
I see a day to see a job is what it made to me. Shit me freaking bravery. See it's modern slavery. 9 to 5 grind and strive. Fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this, doing that, and turn around and scold you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick. That's what I be really thinking. Yes, sir. No, sir. That's what I be really speaking. Cause even though
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the review with the on foot, hit that thumbs up, lets me know that you guys want more reviews, because as you know, I've been doing a lot of clothing and a little bit of sneakers, a little bit of this and that, but if reviews are what you guys want, let me know. Good luck to everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.